How to remove the background from a photo on your iPhone. If you want to separate the subject from the background and quickly share it, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Next, open the photo that contains the subject you want to cut out. Now, press and hold on the main subject in the photo until a glowing outline appears around it. When the menu pops up, tap Copy to copy the cutout, or tap Share to send it directly to another app. If you choose Copy, open an app such as Messages, Mail, or Notes, then tap and hold in the text field and select Paste. Your subject will be pasted without the original background. This feature works best with clear photos, where the main subject stands out from the background. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.